Bitcoin is starting to look a lot more bearish, but do not get fooled on Bitcoin right now. Yes, we are starting to form this bear flag pattern. Hedge funds are starting to short Bitcoin like never before. And also, we got this insane rejection right now creating this bearish divergence, which has always kind of indicated a trend reversal. So should we be worried right now? Well, we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, yesterday we have already been talking about the fact that we have been creating this bear flag pattern and that in the short term we are looking a little bit more bearish and that we should be a little bit more careful. But also I've been talking about this fact of this weekend consolidation that most likely we are just going to be consolidating at around that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at the 69.3k level. And well, that is exactly what has been happening for Bitcoin, and I do think that at the beginning of next week, we are going to be returning towards this level. Now then, yes, in the short term, Bitcoin is creating this bear flag pattern, but I do not think really this is something to really be worried about, because in that larger time frame still, Bitcoin is trading inside of this uptrend. We are still holding massive levels of support. And yes, we are getting some bearish signals right now. But in my opinion, I think that the bullish signals really do outweigh the bearish signals at the moment. First of all, we can be seeing that hedge funds are starting to short Bitcoin like never before. But actually, this is more kind of a bullish thing because these hedge funds can easily be getting liquidated. And whenever that is going to be happening, that is only going to be pushing up the Bitcoin price even more. And also this is way more of a longer term signal. All of these positions have been getting built up in the recent 5 years. And still, Bitcoin has not only experienced one bull market, no, it has already experienced 2 bull markets after all these hedge funds are started to short Bitcoin like never before. Right now it is really getting crazy, but in my opinion, this is not really something to be worried about right now for the short term. Now yes, Bitcoin is seeing this massive rejection right now, but also about this, I do not think we should really be worried about this because also at the same time, we are just getting squeezed inside another consolidation pattern. At the moment, we are still holding this massive level of support, so I just think that we are going to be seeing another huge breakout in the coming few weeks. Now the only signal I'm really worried about is going to be this bearish divergence. Now this is the new free indicator of CryptoC, the advanced awesome oscillator, and this one has been very accurate. This one basically uses momentum in the trend, and whenever there's a bearish divergence, each and every single time, well, it has indicated a short-term Bitcoin reversal. And right now, once again, a bearish divergence has been getting flashed at this current moment, so definitely that is not looking very good. That is definitely getting me a little bit worried right now in that short term, but I just think that we need to be watching for this consolidation pattern, have a look in which direction Bitcoin is going to be breaking in towards, and that will be the decisive factor. That's why I'm saying do not get fooled right now, because yes, in that larger time frame, Bitcoin is still looking extremely bullish. The Bitcoin funding rates are still extremely low. We are on the verge of a few massive breakouts outside of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, outside of this ascending triangle. This Bitcoin resistance is getting weaker and weaker because we are getting less of a significant rejection each and every single time. So the more times we are going to be knocking on this door, the more times we are going to be knocking on this resistance, the more likely we are going to be breaking it. Also still, that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting above this level of resistance. A lot of liquidity is getting built up on the top side. And we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. At the same time, we've also been seeing this bull flag breakout towards the upside. This perfect shakeout before the real breakout, and each and every single time whenever this happened, well, it indicated and initiated that next leg towards the upside. So all in all, in my opinion, for this bull market, everything is still looking great, and I still do expect that the next move towards the upside is going to be getting initiated, even though that short term might be looking a little bit bearish. I just think that this is going to be a huge trap and you should not be getting fooled. So yes, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself with this massive opportunity coming up right now, with a massive breakout, I think that this breakout is going to be absolutely insane. Well, make sure to check out that link down below, because over on CoinW, on your initial sign up, you can right now be claiming a free $5. On top of that, on your first futures trade, you can be claiming another $100, and also you can be claiming this $30,000 deposit bonus. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Do keep in mind that these bonuses are only going to be available if you do use that link down below. Now, the best thing is over on CoinW, there's no KYC required. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading over on CoinW. So yeah, make sure to be preparing yourself right now. I think that in hindsight, this next Bitcoin move is going to be so obvious because of this bull flag breakout. I think that whenever we are going to be seeing this next slide towards the upside, it is going to be so obvious in hindsight, right? It's just that every single thing and every single metric is pointing in towards the same direction. So I'm just going to be keeping my Bitcoin trade open. Now, for this Bitcoin bull market, there's still so much opportunity left in the altcoins for the total crypto market cap. In my opinion, we are still pretty early and retail is still nowhere to be seen in crypto. So yeah, this is still looking extremely bullish for crypto and for this bull market. Anyways guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.